Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to online session, my dear students. Today's topic is about essay writing or kinds of different essay. Please open page 101 and page number 102 from your exercise booklet. Essay writing. The word essay is defined in the Concise Oxford Dictionary as a literary composition, usually prose and short, on any subject. So, essay means literary composition. What does composition means? Piece of writing. And literary is from literature. So, a piece of literature which is usually prose. Prose means not poetry but prose, and which is short on any subject. So that's the definition of what is essay. It is a written composition giving expression to one's own personal ideas or opinions on some topic. But the term, I have written in bracket, word or expression. But the term usually covers also any written composition, whether it expresses personal opinions or gives information on any given subject or details of a narrative or description. So it expresses your personal experiences about any topic. So what are the characteristics of essay writing? So a good essay must contain the following characteristics. So characteristic qualities. What things should be included in a good essay? So these points should be kept in mind. Unity, order, brevity. Brevity means shortness of duration. Style and personal touch. So keeping in mind these 5 points, an essay must be a unity, treating in an orderly manner of one subject. It should be concisely written and not too long. And the style should be simple, direct and clear. And it should have an individuality or show the personal touch of the writer. So it means it should not be long, it should not be ambiguous, it should be clear, the style should be clear, it should be in order, it should have overall unity, and it should have a touch of individuality. It means uniqueness. We can classify essay writing into 5 broader kinds. Essay may be classified as narrative, descriptive, expository, reflective, imaginative. We will define each one of them one by one. The first one is narrative. In a narrative essay, the writer tells a story about a real life experience. While telling a story may sound easy to do, the narrative essay challenges students to think and write about themselves. When writing a narrative essay, writers should try to involve the reader by making the story as vivid as possible. So apparently it seems an easy task, but once you start, you have to involve your reader by giving them vivid description about that story. So you have to involve them imaginatively and emotionally. The second one is descriptive essay. A descriptive essay paints a picture with words. A writer might describe a person, place, object, or even memory of special significance. The descriptive essay strive means struggle, to communicate a deeper meaning through the description. In a descriptive essay, the writer should show through the use of colorful words and sensory details. So, the very name indicates descriptive mean to describe through forceful words, that you have to use a kind of words which brings a clear, vivid picture into your reader's mind. So it's a kind of words game that you have to use the best word in the best place in the best order. The next one is expository. So expository essay, the writer explains or defines a topic using facts, statistics, and examples. Expository writing encompasses a wide range of essay variations, such as the comparison and contrast essay, the cause and effect essay, and the how-to or process essay. So in an expository essay, you have to use compare and contrast. You have to cover a wider range topic, not limited one. It means it has a broader perspective in its own dimension. The next one is reflective. A reflective essay consists of reflection or thoughts on some topic, which is generally of an abstract nature. For example, A. Habits or qualities. B. Social, political, and domestic topics. C. Philosophical subjects. D. Religious and theological topics. So reflective means to reflect on something, to think, to ponder on something, and it covers the topics which are abstract, which are not concrete. So it means that you have to deal with abstract subject, which could be related one of these four branches, A, B, C, or D. And religious and theological are the same. From theology also mean related to religion or faith or practice. The next one is imaginative. Essay on subjects such as the feelings or experiences of the sailor wrecked on a desert island may be called imaginative essay. In such, the writer is called to place himself in imagination in a position of which he has had no actual experience. Such subjects as If I Were a King or the autobiography of a horse would call for imaginative essay. So it means it's totally related, which happens inside in your mind. It's the creation of your mind, it's your imagination. And again, you have to write in such a style that make it real life-like situation you have to give to your reader in order to convince them. So it should be in a convincing manner. Homework. Dear students, please complete your homework by describing the picture on page 100 or any picture of your own choice. Hopefully you would have enjoyed, inshallah. Thank you very much and have a nice day.